Okay, so first of all, this is the document that I've been working on in the previous videos, and in this video I'm going to show how to make table captions and a list of tables in Word. So the first thing I'm going to do is scroll down to the bottom because that's where I've put all of my tables, and at the moment all of my table captions are just plain text. So the first thing I'm going to do is select in here and then go to References and Insert Caption, and then I'm going to change the label option from Figure to Table. Then I'm going to select OK. Then I'm going to delete the second table one, and then I'm going to go to Home and Styles, and I'm going to select Caption and right click and modify, and then I'm going to change the formatting. So I'm going to change it to black, I'm going to remove the italics, I'm going to make it a size 10, and I'm going to make it Times New Roman. I'm also going to change the formatting here, and I'm going to make the spacing smaller. And then I'm going to select OK and OK again. And now I have my first table caption. Now I'm going to scroll down here, and I'm going to do the same thing again. So I'm going to go to References and Insert Caption, and you can see here it already has the label option of table and it already has the correct formatting. So I'm just going to select OK here, and then I'm going to delete the second table 2. Then I'm going to scroll back up to the top, and I'm going to type in here list of tables, because the list of tables doesn't automatically come with a title, so I'm just going to add that in. Then I'm going to go to Insert Table of Figures, and here I need to check that my caption label is selected as table. Then I'm going to go to Modify, and I'm going to modify here, and then I'm going to change the formatting. So I'm going to make it a size 10, and I'm going to make it Times New Roman, and then in formatting and paragraph I'm going to add in some spacing, and then I'm going to select OK, OK again, OK, and then OK one last time, and now I have a list of tables. And if I need to update anything in here in the future, I can right click on here and select Update Field, and then Update Entire Table, and then OK. And I can also, you see here, if I go Control and then click, it will take me to that table in the document. OK, and that is it.